What's up, people? Sean here. We're up in Indiana today. We are on the Knobstone Trail. We are at the Pixley Knob trailhead. I couldn't find very many pictures of it, so I'm going to show you right here. There's the parking lot, not a lot of spots. Trail goes down that way somewhere and then cuts up into the woods. So let's get our backpack and let's get it. Got a little mowed path from the trailhead there to get to the actual trail. And here we are. Trail goes that way. We're going to do that tomorrow. We're going to go to the right to start with. I think we have about 2.5 miles to get to where I last camped on the Knobstone. Show you that or anything else along the way. Looks like we'll be following these white blazes. Definitely a little bit of mud, but it rained for like almost a solid week, so I guess it's to be expected. But hopefully that'll help with some of these seasonal creeks having water. Another little water spot. Also marked as a seasonal creek. And again, we had a lot of rain, so probably why it's flowing. That's point 2. Across another horse trail here. Or another trail, I assume horse trail. There's another one in 0.3 miles. Nice little spot where you can probably pitch a tent. Probably a seasonal creek here too. More like mud right now. I think I just passed mile marker number 9, heading south. Give you an idea of where that is. Stack blaze. Let's see. Other trail. Mile number 8. Heading south. Heck of a climb to get here so far. There's a view. I can see Louisville skyline way out there. Nice. At least we got a view out of it. This is where we came from. This is where we're going. But you see, goes on up that way. There's a neat little spot over here though. Come out over here. Hang out underneath that overhang. Pretty neat little spot. We have found camp. We're in a hammock right over there. Trail's down that way. There is a horse trail back over there. The same spot I stayed at year before last, I think it was, maybe last year. Coming from Deam Lake to here. Here's camp for the night, y'all. Yes, I brought my chair. I'm bougie like that. Got the hammock, got the tarp up, ready to go just in case I need it. Got some water hanging over there. There's that road there, which I think is a, I don't know, it could just be a forest road. I feel like it's a horse trail. But outside of that, nice little camp here. It's quite the climb to get up here, though. Yeah, for it to be 2.5 miles, that was a little rough. I guess that means I'm just a little bit out of hiking shape. So we'll see what happens tomorrow, though. Tomorrow I'm supposed to go, I think it's going to be 8 miles or something, but I'm going to pass right back by the car. So we'll see what happens.